Guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing video here on this new McCulloch Steamer. So it's packaged really well. Comes with a lot of different pieces. A lot of different pieces to pull out of here. They just keep coming. Just keep coming. Another one. This one looks like it's for carpet or squeegeeing windows. Both. I don't know. A lot of different pieces here. So, this is the main body here. It's got some wheels on it. I think this one was a couple $100. Got a special on it. Because we love deals. And so we're just going to make a quick video of how to put it together. Explain how easy it is to put together. It's like Christmas. Merry Christmas. Okay. So here's the end of it here. So you take the attachments. Probably going to be using the most basic attachment. Clips in really nice. I like it. Alright, then we have this back base piece that looks like it's just going to snap right in. Alright. So just push these little buttons in while I push them down. And snaps right in. Easy peasy. Then we've got some different attachments here. Long attachment, which I might use that. I don't know. There's two different ones. You can really get longer attachments here. So two different attachments. They look the same, but we'll test it out. See what's up. So you can plug them into each other. So you can have a really long extension. So pretty long. So let's stack these guys together. I feel like this design on how easy it is to just snap these in and plug them in. Like you can just do it one-handed, no problem. So if you're trying to do other things, do it one-handed. Do like that. So yeah, if you're inside the car and you need to get into the tighter spaces, you're not going to use extensions. Of course, you're going to use this little short step nose one and hit the steering wheel and stuff like that. So yeah, so basically extremely easy to put together. Just literally snap this in and snap this on the end of it. Then I believe, because I have another small steamer, you're going to take this off, fill it up, turn it on, let it get to, I'll have to read the instruction on this thing, but then you're going to let it get to the hot mark there and then start using it. So I'll be right back. We're going to fill it up and see how she does. Alright guys, so I filled this up. It comes with this measuring little container. I filled it up with filtered water. I've got a Berkey filter. For all you guys that don't know what one of those is, there's one there. It's a charcoal filter, basically takes contaminants out of water. I want to put filtered water in here just because I know it's going to have kind of like a calcium buildup or some buildups in it, so why not put filtered water so you're going to have probably less of that to deal with. So you're going to take this and just going to fill it. It has a maximum fill line, so I just went to maximum because, you know, I live my life on the edge. 1/4 mile at a time. It's gonna make some weird noises, that's normal. And then it bubbles and pops up like that. And then let it settle there for a second. We're gonna tighten this down, nice and taut. Pull it like a toga. And And then we're gonna go into the garage and turn this thing on. I'm assuming I've got to let it warm up. I'm gonna read the instructions real quick on that. Usually it's got to get to like a operating temperature, so you're gonna turn it on and start using it. So head into the garage. What's up, guys? So we're in the garage. I had to change my clothes. It's gonna be a hot day out, and by hot I mean like 78 degrees, but this is Washington, so I'm a baby, and that's hot to me. So we're gonna plug this guy in. Needless to say, you need to take this off the end of this. If you can't figure something like that out, then I would just recommend not using this unit, because you might steam yourself to death. And we don't want that. We want you to be safe, you know, safe at home. So we're gonna plug this guy in, let it warm up. I read the directions. It was a wise choice to put distilled water in there, filtered water. Now that you can see this whole thing, rolls pretty nicely. We've got it full. We filled it up to the basically 64 ounces, the number that you should be putting there. It comes with a measuring cup. So we're going to turn this thing to the on position. The button is down there, and once this reaches into the green, it doesn't really specify. I'm just going to wait till it gets to maybe the middle of this green here. So it has this right here, so we're going to see how that climbs, and you know, when it stops. Got this little steamer unit on the end of it. You can use this too. That's where the steam comes out. I like this. I think I'll like this one for interior stuff. So I am detailing a Subaru Legacy GT today. Should be here in a second. So we're gonna probably try this under the hood, door jambs, steering wheel, floor mats, stuff like that. So we're gonna let this heat up. I'll be back. I will be testing it out on some part of the car so you can see how well it works and see what I think of this thing. So, be right back. What's up, guys? I'm back here. It's warmed up decently, so it's at like about a quarter here on the green. It doesn't warm up super fast, it doesn't seem like, but we'll see how long we can get out of, I don't know, it's about, like I said, it's a little over a quarter of the green right there. I'm not positive on whether when it gets down to the bottom of the green that it just stops steaming, but I guess we will shortly find out here. So I'm going to move over to the engine bay and we'll hit it with some steam and just maybe a brush and see how well this thing works. We have the minimum down here that will make just the littlest amount of steam here, and then we'll put it to the max, and that thing flies with the max all the way up. So we're going to move over to the car, find a dirty spot, probably do one of the reservoirs and just kind of hit it without any kind of chemicals and see how well it does. So let's go over there. Alright guys, so we will hit this oil cap here real quick. We'll hit that. There's a little coolant cap down here. So we'll probably try to use a combination of some cleaner in this because, you know, it does a pretty decent job, but wouldn't hurt to put a little bit of cleaner in there just to make sure we get everything off of it. So yeah, it's working pretty well. I mean, it's consistent. Try to get in here a little bit. Of course, without a brush on the end of it, it's not going to do incredible. But I do like it. We'll just see how long we can get out of it. Sorry, I got the cord wrapped up here all over the place. So we'll see how long we can get out of it before it kind of dies off. So it got the battery pretty clean. We got an Optum right here, so that's without any kind of solvents on there. So I'm liking this thing. It's working pretty well. So I wouldn't necessarily use this one. I'd probably use maybe the brush if you're trying to brush things, because if you have the brush on the end of it, it'll work a little bit better. So yeah, all in all, I mean, this is just the first time I've used this thing. At this point, now that it's been warming up so long, it's staying consistently at the little bit above quarter mark, so it's not dying back down. You want to let it fully warm up first for probably, I don't know, 20 minutes to half an hour is about what I did. So now it's staying consistent, and it's not dying back off and getting cool. So all in all, I'm really happy with this thing. It's a good entry level steamer. So we'll try it on the steering wheel and maybe some floor mats and door sills and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm going to do another one on, got a couple other items over here. We've got a Adams pressure washer that I've already done a review on, like an unboxing on it, but we'll do I love that thing to death. I really do. And then we've got over here, I've got a Hart vacuum that I got at Walmart that wasn't very expensive. I think it was about 70 bucks or so. And that thing's killer too. It really sucks. So no, I know you've never heard a joke like that with a vacuum or anything, so I'd like to trademark that. So I hope you guys have a great day. Stay blessed. I gotta clean this car up here, and I'll see you in the next video.